Alright, today's experiment, or just for information purposes, is going to be about my reloading 180 grain zinc bullets. Now, I couldn't find any information on it, so what I did was, with the help of some people on reloading groups, we kind of figured out something, and we started out with, I think we're going to start out with 14 grains, 14 and a half grains, and 15 grains into the 180 grain zinc bullet. And I did fire that at the range. I'll put the footage in there. And my best grouping was with the 14.5 grain powder. I used the accurate number 9. Also, I bought these Underwoods to see how they performed. And they really kick. They kick so much that my groupings opened up compared to my reloads. So I'm going to stick with my reloads. These things are just, and this actually hurt my hand, and I do have a Hogue rubber grip on it. So also, again, what I did with the 327 was I took it apart. I had a 327 from Buffalo Bore. Now this is the Underwoods ammo. I'm going to try to take it apart. I have one here in my hammer, so I'm going to stop the video and try to get this thing out. Okay, we're going to try to get this round, this Underwood 41 Magnum round separated. See if it comes out. I have a feeling it's been very hard. No, it's still there. I'll pause it to see if it moved at all. Yes, I checked it. The bullet is coming out, but it needs more persuasion. Yeah, these are very tight. Underwood, Buffalo Bore. Very hard to get out. Got a hell of a crimp in there, I guess. I want to see what powder is in there and how much. Take another break. Well, as you can tell, it came out a little bit, but it's still very hard. I'll keep trying. Come on. Yay, success. Well, I did get it out, but I don't know how accurately I'm going to be able to measure the powder, because as it came out, there was powder all over the threads, all over the collet. It was all over the shell casing. It was just a mess, but I'll try to do my best. And I don't know if you can see the color of this. Let's see. It does have a slight greenish tint, kind of like the Buffalo Bore did on the 327 Federal, but I'll try to weigh it. Well, it looks like we got 19.5 grains of the Underwood powder for the 41 Magnum. And now we'll weight a bullet. Okay, so I put the powder back in the casing and it weighs 120.9 grains. We'll measure the bullet. I think it's pretty close to 210. There it is, 209.8. Okay, I think this is going to be the end of the video. I'll just have to hook on the shooting results. Now this might have more of a punch. I'm going to shoot for that, I guess you'd say the neck where the number is. Let's see. The neck where the number is. It looks like a backwards 9. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a big punch. That's a way big punch. Holy shit, that's a big punch. At the wind stop. Holy shit. To the left. I don't like this. Too much. Too much power. Too much power. Oh my god. I like my loads better. This is fucking badass. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. So one more, I think. Oh my god. I think that's it. Wow. That was powerful. Underwood. 210 grain. XTP. Way too powerful. Let's see, 14.5. I shot one already. Wow. Good. Next to each other. Oh my god. Get in there. Look at that. Wow. This gun is accurate. Look at that. In the same shot. Oh my god. That is great. I like that. Wow. Wow. That's great. Could do one more. And let's see. This is gonna do 15. Okay, now we shoot for, let's see, the other side. Opposite side. That was definitely me. That's it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I'm going to go with the 14.5, I think. But these two in the same hole. That's two in the same hole. This is two. It's two in the same hole. God. At least get 15. 15. Wow. Very nice. Very pleased. Let's try the buffalo block. Check it off. Gun nose. Right between guys. Right between guys. Not bad. I'm good with that. Looks like they went in the same hole. Holy shit. That's two in the same hole. What happened there? Oh, that's three. Okay. Wow, look at that. Two in the same hole. Wow. Two in the same hole. That was 3 shots.